Big Green Ganesha is a good concept developed by Big FM and Bharti Cement, where the Ganesh idol is prepared with paper pulp. That is the most important thing, and it is easily degradable. That is the most important. If you go for any other non-degradable items, it is harmful to the environment. With this, there is no harm to environment. That is the most important thing of this event, and this is a good concept. They collect all the papers and prepare idols for the Ganesha. And this concept we are taking it to many cities like Bombay, Sholapur, Bangalore, Chennai, Goa, and other places also. And this will definitely give a wide range of coverage to the public, that awareness will improve, and everybody started doing this paper Ganesha so that the environment can be saved and future generation it will be very good. No, we are very happy. First of all, as a responsible organization, we are taking it forward this movement, and earlier it was only one place, now it has gone to many cities. Now that's why it has to spread across all the states. That is our motive. That is the reason we have come forward and taken it forward to do this activity. No, in any industry, environment is a big issue. So we have taken a lot of care in technology while producing the cement. Also, we are bringing down the emissions so that there will be less emission from our plant, so that less environment damage will be done. Whatever damage is done by the many factories, that we won't be doing it. That is our major contribution, and we have done a lot of steps like putting it whatever is required to reduce the environment damage, but we are doing in Bharti Cement. And in fact, in our factory we have planted more than 1 lakh neem trees. So this is also one important thing. And with these trees and paper, pulp, all these things, we will definitely have a beautiful future also for the country and for the entire world.